Hello everyone. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin working on today's target. Okay, so as per my thinking, it would take around 4 divs to create it, and it can be created in two different ways. So let's begin. First, I'll provide it a class. Let's As per my plan, what I'll do is first this create this div, then I'll create another div inside of this blue div. I'll name it A and this is B. Then I'll create two other divs and place them like this. Like that should be the simplest way to do it. The other way is to create this div like the A div. Then we have to put this as the B div, C div, and D div. But that would be a little bit complex than this one. So I'll go with this one. So copy it. Now here would be the next one. So B div. Now we need to do this. So here will be B div. This is C div and this is D div. First, we'll also give the properties to the body. Like also, I'll do this to decrease the character count. So, yep, and in the body we'll write background, and the background is this purple one. So let's paste it. And then not justify. We'll first go with display flex. Or we can also do one more thing. I never told you about that, which is display grid. So we are simply showing it as a grid, and then we have to do place content center. So this is a shorter way to do the same thing as display flex and then justify content center, line item center. This is a shorter one. Now what I'll do is this. Now we have to obviously increase the width. I'll just go with difference so it becomes easier to check what the sizes are. 200? No. But it is the value for this. What do we call it? C div. No, B div. So I'll just simply give it the property of B div. Okay, so we at least have the sizes for the B div now. And I'll take this color and paste it here. Okay, so we have the B div ready, although we haven't even read the A div. So now width, and the width should be 300. Like we don't even need to write pixels. Also, I need to change the color, so let's go with background. And we need to put this color. Ow. I by mistake clicked Control C instead of V. Wait, what? Also, let's go with display grid, then place content center. Okay. So no, it isn't how it should be. Okay, let's do this. So it doesn't have to be 300. It should be like 250 maybe. Let me check. So if we go with 250, is it? Yes. No, 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 no. It's larger than 250, but less than maybe 270. No, 260. Yeah, 260 is accurately the value that we need. And now if we go for height, height should be, I think, if the height there is 120, let's try 200. No, 200 is too much. 180. Yep, 180 is the answer for that. Okay, now we can apply this. You can see like there is not at all any difference other than those two divs which we are going to define now. So C, comma D. And here what we need to do is width. First of all, wait, let me first give background so that we can see them easily. So background, paste value. And now we have to give width. Like I'll give it a width of, if I suppose it to be 30, then 30 and 30. So what should be the value? Like where is the height? Okay, it should be 60. So let's go with 60. And the height. Wait. The value I spoke was for height, and by mistake I went for width. So again, now it is 200. The width is 200, and we need to minus 30 and divide by 2. So it should be like, first of all, let me do one thing. Position absolute, and then top should be 30 pixels. Okay, now if we give like 30, no, okay, I didn't put a relative, my bad. So position relative, and now if we go for, no, it isn't 30, maybe 95 to, like, okay, 90 is more than required, so 85. Yeah, so 85 is the value. And the thing is, we have to give D a place, so we have to give it right, and it should be 0. Now you can see it is entirely black, which means it is an exact match. So if we go, it is 100% match, and the score may be 605 or something. No, 602. We can even go further and decrease this value further on, but we do not need to do that. Like, this is enough. Although we can go further, but I don't think there is any requirement to do so. So this is the simplest way I could think of, and as you can see, it is quite efficient. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.